Alright, so I'm going to take my really beat up Salon Perfection lashes.
Julo, get them racks.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe down below. My bad. So go ahead and subscribe down below. You can also go ahead and thumbs this video up, even though I didn't do anything yet, because you already know that you're gonna do it anyways. So today I'm just gonna be doing a really simple look. It was inspired by Mena on Love and Hip Hop a couple weeks ago. I know I'm really late, but hey, better late than never, right? So we're gonna start off with the usual. We're gonna take our Fenty Beauty primer. Alright, so now I'm about to get into my eyebrows. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills DipBrow pomade in the color Ebony. Alright, now I'm going to clean up my eyebrows with my Sephora Bright Futures concealer in Pot de Creme. I don't know if that's going to show up. Okay, foundation time. Taking my Fenty Beauty in 440. Alright, so I'm gonna highlight now. I'm gonna take my Kat Von D Lock-It concealer in D37. Right now I'm just going to contour with my Fenty Matchstick in Expresso. Alright, so now I'm going to set my highlighted areas with my Fenty Beauty Universal Invisimatte powder. Alright, so I'm going to take my really beat up Salon Perfection lashes. You could get these at Walmart. They're really cheap. Probably need to get some more. Alright, taking my Stila Huge Mascara. Just gonna blend in my lashes with my falsies. Alright, I'm gonna take a little bit of black eyeliner and kind of blend in where my false lash is. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go into my Morphe 35B palette. And I'm going to take this navy blue right here and just run that all on my bottom lid. I'm gonna mix in a little bit of this, brighter blue. Trying to make the color pop a little bit more. Oh wow, forgot to set my contour areas. So I'm gonna take my also extremely beat up Zeri pressed powder in Nude. I highlight a little bit with my Fenty matchstick in Cinnamon. Alright, so my camera memory got full, so I had to delete some stuff, but basically I just mixed Stone and a little bit of Antique Velvet, both of them by MAC, to get my lip color. And then I went into this glow kit and I took Tourmaline and put it on my inner corners. Alright, and I'm just going to go over with my Fenty Beauty gloss. Alright, so here's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and thumbs this video up if you haven't already. Go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure you follow me on all my social media, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. It's going to be on the next screen and in the description below. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you guys think below. And yeah, see you guys in my next video.